everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm back with another tutorial content on how to sign up for ESPN Plus. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to sign up for an ESPN Plus account, open up a web browser. Go to the web address bar at the top of the screen and type in plus.espn.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official website of ESPN Plus. If you already have an account, you can click on the login button at the top right hand corner and enter your credentials to log in. If you'd like to sign up since you don't have an account yet, click on subscribe to ESPN Plus only button over here and you'll be taken to a new page. Here, in order to create an account, you'll need to first type in your first name. Head over to the next one and type in your last name. Enter a valid email address that you have access to in order to sign up. Now, right where it says password, go ahead and create a password for yourself. Make sure that the password you create is at least 6 characters long and it includes letters, numbers, or symbols. After you create a strong password, you can double check your password by clicking on the Show Password box in order to reveal your password. If you want to receive occasional informations and offers about your favorite teams, sports and other informations from ESPN or ESPN Plus, then make sure this box is checked over here. But if you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked and finally click on the sign up button. Now, as soon as you do that, you'll be able to create an account for ESPN Plus. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.